Hello, this is Maddie and today we're going to prepare all-purpose gluten-free flour. Let's get to work immediately. So the first step is going to add 7 ounces of white quinoa. Okay, here it is. 7 ounces of quinoa and 3.5 ounces of chia seed. Forgive me on the pronunciation if it's not perfect. And let's put the lid, our measuring cup. Next step, we're gonna mill and grind the quinoa and the chia seeds at speed 9 for 1 minute. So, okay, here we're back. See what happened after grinding the chia seeds and quinoa. Here they are. We already have excellent result. That was only 1 minute. And now we'll see. Now we need to add 3.5 ounces of arrowroot flour, which is this. Ooh. And 7 ounces of cornstarch. Very powdery. Back again, our lid, back measuring cup, and now we're gonna set for 20 seconds at speed 9. That's it, 20 seconds, and it's finished. Now we can put in a container until we're ready to use it. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so I don't know if you can see. I hope so. Let me see if I can show you better. This is our all-purpose gluten-free flour, and it's perfect. I think it's really perfect, and we can use it to make all our gluten-free recipe. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my video, follow me on YouTube at Maddalena Paliscandolo. Thank you.